Well, I know what I'm making today. Season 2 of Kimetsu no Yaiba just came out, and if you saw episode 1, Haganezuka is eating Mitarashi Dango, which I love, and I just found out it's super easy to make, so let's go do that. But first, we need to stop by the Asian Mart to pick up a few things.
Hello, Bozo.
Is it just me, or do all Asian marts look the same? The main ingredients we're looking for are joshinko, rice flour, shiratamako, sweet rice flour, and some soft tofu. There's a few different ways to make Mitarashi Dango, but for this specific recipe, this is all you need. Alright, that wasn't too hard to find. I just went to my local Japanese grocery store and they had it. Let's make it. Alright, so to start off, we're gonna mix 100 grams of tofu in a bowl. Mix in 50 grams of shiratamako, sweet rice flour, and 30 grams of joshinko, regular rice flour. Super tempted to just make one giant dango. Once your dough is nice and mixed, cut it up into 12 even pieces. From there, start rolling them into balls. Boom, these balls. Makes me want to just touch them. Alright, so we made the balls. Nigel, how do they look?
They look pretty good.
Look smooth, yeah?
Yeah.
Alright, let's get to boiling. Boil them in water for 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, the balls should rise to the top. Then let them cool off in some cold water. While I waited for the dango balls to cool off, I took a break and had some sushi. I tried to eat a ball of wasabi, which was a lot stronger than I expected. But let's get back to dango. Take your dango out of the water and start applying them to the bamboo skewers. At this point, we're almost there. But hang on, we still have to make the sauce. Mix together 3 tablespoons of sugar, 1.5 teaspoons of potato starch, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of mirin, and 3 tablespoons of water. Mix up your sauce and then heat it on a pan until it thickens. Grill your dango on a pan until they're golden brown, add sauce to your balls, and boom, you are done. 짜잔! Umai! And that's how to make the Mitarashi Dango from Kimetsu no Yaiba. Alright, I got my brother.
Yeah, pretty good.
Cheers.
Test. Cheers. It's pretty good.
Right?
Nicely done.
Thank you. Tastes like the real thing. It's very like mochi mochi. Is that a word?
I have no idea.
It really just reminds me of dango. And it is dango.
Reminds you of dango.
This is my first time making this and it came out so good. That just proves how easy it is because I'm not the best cook. It's seriously so soft. Well guys, the dango turned out amazing and my brother and I gave them a 10 out of 10. Isn't that right, Nigel?
10 out of 10.
Okay, I'll take it. Thanks so much for 9.5 from Nigel. It averages out to a 9.75, which is outstanding. Anyways guys, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed. And let me know if there's other foods from other shows that you'd like me to make. That's all for now. See you guys next time.
We ain't whipping packs, dropping all them bangers, and I'm out here getting racks. She calling on my phone, we don't need to run them pockets. Flying up so high, I'ma hop into my rocket, yeah. Getting rich, we ain't flipping packs.
Big dango.